Hey everybody, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix GOG Galaxy not launching on Windows. So in order to fix the GOG Galaxy isn't launching on your Windows, you could try following these steps. First of all is to reinstall GOG Galaxy. So first step, you want to uninstall GOG Galaxy through the control panel or the settings app. So for that, click on the search bar. And on the search bar, you simply want to type in control panel. So here it is. You want to open this up and it's going to take you to the next field where you could go ahead and click on and just go to the program section, or you could just click on uninstall or program and locate the following options, or just locate the particular app that you want to uninstall, and that should be equal to fix. Now after uninstalling, you would re-download and check whether there seems to be an issue or not. The other thing you could also do is review your antivirus and firewall settings. Ensure GOG Galaxy isn't blocked or quarantined. And the other thing what you could also do is some users have reported issues with other program interfering with GOG Galaxy. Try uninstalling recently installed programs or using clear boot mode to identify potential conflict. So this is how you could fix your GOG Galaxy not launching on Windows. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.